Welcome back to Rituals. All right, so in today's episode, we are doing car content with the one and only Black Eagle. This is my 2018 BMW M2. So if you're new to the channel, I do car content, I do sneaker reviews, and I do money tips. So today's video is for my car enthusiasts. This is strictly BMW M2 car content. Got something in the mail. I think it's pretty cool. I'm going to be doing installation on an actual wireless charging unit for the phone. I'm going to be installing that into the car. I'm going to show you guys the installation, and I'm going to tell you guys my thoughts at the end of the video. So with that being said, please hit that subscribe button, turn that notification bell so you'll be in the loop when I post new videos like this. Once again, I do car content, sneaker reviews, and I do money tips. If you're into those three things, this is the channel for you. So hit that subscribe button. Let's get to this install on the Black Eagle. Okay, so we're gonna build this thing here. We're gonna spin it. This is how you screw it off in order to get the attachment that goes in. It's like a little ball piece that goes underneath the screw area. So then I get the wireless charger and I attach that piece to the back of the wireless charger. Like I said, I kind of combine the WizGear with the new wireless charging unit because the WizGear, it seems like it's a better product for it being stronger, in my opinion. But we'll see. Also, I use the WizGear. I'll show you guys why in a few minutes. But right now, we're just gonna spin this thing on here so you guys can see. Tighten it up. So you place the ball in. Then you pop the ball into the piece as such. And like I said, you spin this around this little screw attachment, this little gear, until it gets tight. And you see the pull tab from the WizGear. It tells you where it should be positioned on the adhesive tape. So you tighten that up very, very nice. Very, very tight. So it's not loosey-goosey. There you go. As you can see it. Arrow up. Pretty straight. All right, now this is where I got this piece. You see this little tab right here, this little holder, wire holder? See, the one that came with it, as you guys can see, did not have that. So that was another reason why I kind of combined the products, because when I roll the wire around, because I don't want the wire being loose from the USB cord, I want it to wrap around but also have somewhere to go. Also, it came with some extra adhesive pads, some extra cleaning material to clean things down before you add the adhesive to wherever you're going to place the wireless charger. Alright, and here's the USB cord. Thankfully it came in black, because if it came in white color I was going to have to get another cord. I like the black because it matches the interior of my car. And it also matches the product. So let's plug it into the laptop here, the USB port here, and then the USB like C port actually goes to the bottom of the charger. And when you plug that thing in, and it has a power source, and turn it around, there we go. When it has a power source, you see it lights up red, and you can actually see the sensors right there on the actual charging pad there. You see it? Sensors. Okay, so when you put your phone close to it, the sensor detects it. It opens up the arms, and then you slide your phone in. And see, we have a charge already. Green lit up. Right now, I'm using my wife's phone to show it. You see the beautiful butterfly. But yeah, and then you take that thing off, and then it closes. Now, there's two little levers on the sides underneath, and that's how it knows to open up. So you kind of put your fingers close to those areas. You don't have to touch them, but that's how it opens up. And when it's open, it turns blue, as you guys can see. But here are the little buttons I was telling you about. Now we're going to unplug this thing, and we are going to install it into the car. So like I said, we're going to clean the car with the adhesive pad that came with it. This is the area that we plan on putting the actual wireless charger, the unit. So we got that cleaned up. We're going to look for proper placement right here. Let's see. We're going to place it right here. Now let's take the adhesive off, the sticky part, so we can attach this thing to the car. All right. So the instructions say you basically got to apply pressure for a good minute or so. And then after that, you have to let it sit for 30 minutes. So that's basically what we're doing right now. Applying pressure, and then I'm going to let that thing sit. So yeah. So the installation, the unboxing, I hope you guys enjoyed that portion of the video. And as you can see, the installation is very simple. It's not real complex at all. It's only like 3 or 4 steps really. Now I'm gonna place this here. I don't know if it's gonna actually stay on the car in this section that well, but we'll see. If not, we'll have to find a different location to actually place the product. I'm kind of concerned because it's kind of a curved area, and it's not too many areas in my car that have a flat surface. And when you're placing this product, you would like to have a flat surface ideally. So let's see. Alright, so you guys see it. It's already lit up. See how it opens up? Drop your phone there, bam. And it's charging. How cool is that? Then when you want to open it, put your hands here. Opens up. Bam, it's blue. Let you know that's opening up. Once again, open. There we go. Now the only issue I'm having is, like I said before, I had a hard time finding where I actually was gonna put it, so I had to put it there. Of course, that's the in performance button, and this is where I keep my little coins at. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna keep it there. I don't really drink sodas much, so of course I got the water bottle holder over here, so I can put water bottles on each door. So yeah, but yeah, what you guys think? I think it came out pretty good. The wires are hidden. That's what it looks like behind it. As you can see, it's stuck there, like it's on there pretty good. So yeah, that's what it looks like. All right, so I hope you guys enjoy another video of rituals. Thank you guys for tuning in. Please do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, turn that notification bell so you've been looping I post videos like this. This was the install of the wireless charging unit for my BMW M2. All right, guys, if you would like to purchase that yourself, I'll put the link in the description below. I got it from Amazon. I think it was less than $20. And then the other thing I used, the little magnet clip, it was $20, but you don't have to buy that if you don't want to. I just got that one because I felt that it was a better product as far as the magnet. So with that being said, thank you guys for watching Rituals. Have a great day. So for those that are wondering why I don't just use the wireless car charger that came with the phone, with the actual car in my BMW M2, it's because I have the iPhone 11 and with the case on, it does not fit all the way, as you can see. So it does not fit all the way. If I take the case off, it'll fit, but with the case on, it will not fit. And I have a USB cord where I can, you know, I can charge it up in there in the armrest and just lay it in there. But I like this right here. It opens up real nice. As you can see, drop my phone in there, closes, and it's charging. And then when I want to release it, put my hands underneath here, like such. I lift it up, it's good to go. So, like I said before, for those that are wondering why I don't use this, it's because when I have my case on my iPhone 11, it does not fit. Now, I think if I get an iPhone, my next iPhone, I may get a smaller one where I can use it more, but I don't know. I really like this charger, this wireless charger, so it's been working pretty well. Also, at first, I had it up here, if you guys was looking at it before, and I moved it to here. The reason why I moved it to here is because the adhesive did not stick too well to this surface. It's a curved surface, so it didn't stick too well. So I put it here, more of a flat surface, and it's been sticking pretty well. It's not moving, it won't move at all. So there you go. So now it's nice and firm, and it's not going anywhere, and I'm gonna keep it there. Also, now I can use my cup holders again if I really want to. So once again, thank you guys for watching Rituals. I really appreciate you guys. I do car content, I do sneaker reviews, and I also do money tips. If you're interested in those things, once again, please hit that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up. Thank you guys once again for watching Rituals. Y'all have a great day. And oh, if you want BMW only content and you're on Instagram, go follow at M2_Black Eagle. That's at M2_Black Eagle. Thank you again.